Tell me how it is.
Oh my god, it's so soft.
Is it good?
It's very good. I love it. Oh my god.
Looks good, right?
I love this.
I need your honest opinion on these clothes.
Yeah.
Overall touch and feel.
10 on 10.
Like, would you recommend this material to anyone?
Yeah, obviously.
Good, right?
Yeah.
Cool. You know, there are those days that you feel completely excited and overwhelmed that something is happening in your life. And I think that day is today for me because something really amazing just happened today morning. So yeah, good morning guys. My name is Nikhil and trying to document my journey of starting a clothing brand in India, basically a sportswear brand, and this might be just the beginning of something really amazing that will happen this year. So with that being said, let's begin the video. So today actually is Monday, the 5th of April, and on Saturday, which was I think 3rd of April, a package was shipped from the manufacturing company that we are working with. I was supposed to reach the next day via bus transport, and it did, but the bus transport people didn't inform me that the package received, so I had to wait another day. In fact, they didn't even call me saying the package has reached, and I had to like cross-check with the manufacturer if they really shipped the package or no, but they said it was yeah, blah 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 blah. So long story short, it took me an hour today just to find the place where the package was located. Managed to do that. I got tanned in the process, but that's fine, I guess. We found the package, and I'll actually show it to you guys right now, but yeah, I think I'll just show it to you guys right now. So this is the package that we received from our manufacturers, and it doesn't contain all the pieces that we need, but it just has the necessary pieces which we are going to distribute to our ambassadors and a few of the people that we know who can help us grow the brand. So now we have to ship these pieces to those guys, I think by today or tomorrow, and then maybe like do some other stuff behind the scenes like to get the brand started up. So I haven't unboxed this package yet. I think I should wait for my friend Rachel, not my friend. Yeah, I think I should wait for Rachel. Rachel is the person who works with me with starting PA Fit. I think I should wait for her to unbox it, or I might just do it right now and then show her the products later. I'm not sure, but I'll see what I have to do. But in short, I want to tell you how the entire process of PA Fit right now is. We don't want the brand to be more like a commercial, more not something like Gymshark, but something like Alphalete. If you guys have checked them out, I think that the world, I feel they're the world's best brand so far with respect to. Okay, that's my dog making noise while playing with her stuff. Yep. Chiku, say hi. Say hi, Chiku. Chiku, say hi. Say hi. Looks like she's busy. But yeah, coming to the point is we don't want it to be too commercial. We want the brand to be more for people. Like we are creating something that people wanted. Personally, I wanted, and I could never find something like that in India. Usually the Indian brands, 99% of Indian brands use cheap fabrics for the sportswear apparel, and that is something I really don't like. Like using just polyester and naming them as dry fit and anti-odor, all that kind of stuff really doesn't make sense, because those fabrics really don't accentuate the look of a person, neither do they feel good for long durations. So because of that, it was my initiative that I wanted to do something basically to solve my issue. Hence we started off PA Fit. So I think I'll unbox it right now. I said I'm going to wait for Rachel, but I don't think I am. I'll unbox it right now, check it out, check out if everything is proper and everything, and then I think I'll inform her of what's come in the parcel today. So yeah, hopefully everything is good inside this package. If not, I guess I'll be screwed. So right now I'm trying to unbox this with one hand, and I think the last time when I tried that, it didn't actually turn out so good. But I'm sure going to try it again once more, because you really can't judge yourself for trying it once and it never worked out. I don't know, I don't think I should be talking all that shit right now. Just try to peel off this plastic. Okay. That was pretty good. There we go. I think I'm somehow managing to do it with one hand. Okay, that was good. This guy out from here. Okay. Fuck. Sorry for the bad language. Come on. Yes. Okay, perfect. Let me just zoom out a little bit. So I guess we have our first pieces of fabric here. I'm pretty excited to see what's there completely inside, but looks like we have something good. Hopefully they are exactly what we need. This shit's scary, man. This shit's really scary. Like, honestly, I don't know what to say right now, what to feel. This is like, it's been more than a year, man, that I wanted to start PA Fit, and the lockdown happened, COVID like fucked everything up. Still I kind of kept hope of everything going good, and I think after one whole year of trying to find the right people to work with, the right fabrics, the right everything basically, things take time, man. Things take time. I don't know now. I'm not even sure how these products are, but I'm gonna like try, I think 4 of them. I think I'll keep 4 for myself right now to see how, if it's actually good. And yeah, let's really hope it's good. So before I actually wear the fabrics, not the fabrics, wear the t-shirts, since we only have t-shirts for now. So before I wear them, I actually wanted to show you the colors that we have. So for now, we have 4 colors exactly. One is white, one is maroon melange, one is dark grey, and one is black. So these are the colors that we'll be starting off with. Yeah, 4 colors. For now, just t-shirts. I think in the next month we are going to have one more product coming out. That will be the cut-off t-shirt, the sleeveless kind of one. So yeah, I'm going to try these t-shirts now. Hopefully they fit perfect. And yeah, let's hope for the best. I kind of have mixed feelings of how the clothing is come out, the t-shirts. Like, I don't know, I'm not sure if it's really like how I wanted it, or do they have flaws? Yeah, they do have flaws. Like, they have minor flaws which me as a person who has created the product knows, but I don't think most other people will notice them. But yeah, kind of mixed feelings. You know what I'm trying to say? Mixed feelings. It's really difficult for me to put out on camera how the thing is. Like I've not yet shown how the fit and everything is, the final fit is. Like, that is, I think, exactly how I wanted, but I don't know, mixed feelings again. So yeah, I think Rachel will be coming to the office by around 2:30, 3 o'clock. I'll make sure to capture her reaction at that time. But yeah, I think we're going in the right direction. There are a few things that definitely need to change, like a few upgrades are mandatory for the production units. Like, these are just for the athletes, which is good. I like them, but we'll definitely make the minute changes in the final production, which will go out to our upcoming customers, whoever purchases our items. Could be you. So yeah, I think I'll get down to my office right now and then maybe continue the video from there. Come. This is the stuff.
What are you doing?
I don't know this recording. Tell me how it is.
Oh my god, it's so soft.
Is it good?
It's very good. I love it.
Check on. The only thing is the white is a little bit thicker compared to all. This is the softest and thinnest.
Oh my god.
Looks good, right?
I love this.
Both maroon and grey look good. See the white also. The white is a bit thick, because that's the dye process. This is a damaged piece, okay? It told me it's damaged. This is thicker, right, compared to
Yeah,
all?
I mean, it's less softer.
Yeah, that is because of the dye. There's something.
He's gone home.
He's gone home?
Yeah, he's gone home.
Right, so how is it? Average, total?
I
You love the grey.
This.
The grey is good.
This is my favorite.
What about maroon?
I love the maroon also.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. These are my two favorites.
I think we can improve on the white and the blacks later.
The black is fine.
It's kind of too flimsy, don't you feel?
Um,
Compared to the maroon and the grey. And the white is too thick.
this is too thick, but
Yeah.
this is the damaged piece. What's the-
No, but the white will turn this way only.
Okay. Yeah, it is too thick. It is much thicker.
Yeah, because the dye process is such that it makes the fabric
I
thicker.
mean, maybe if you don't wear a henna.
No, but nobody wears it in the.
Yeah. So
Nobody
then
wears that.
This will probably be very flimsy.
Yeah. Nobody wears it enough for this thing. But this is how it will be, and this is the old one. The
But
old.
it's okay though.
This is the old fabric which I had. The sample one, that is a bit thicker.
I'm not complaining. This is really soft and. it's
Good, right? You
summer.
liked it?
Yeah, I loved it. And
Cool.
this is so nice. This is my favorite.
That is all that was required.
I love the color.
I'm gonna take it. Yeah.
I need your honest opinion on these clothes.
There.
Just touch it first. How do you like it? Is it good? Like how good? There are more also, you can touch the ones below also.
Same model, right?
Yeah, same material. But a little bit variation due to the dyes. Like the white is thick, very thick.
Yeah.
But this is a damaged piece, so don't consider it.
Now, going on the
Good, no?
Yes.
This color is soft. Nice color.
Yeah. Pretty much nice thing.
So you like it?
Yeah.
What would you rate it out of 10?
Nice.
Just 9.
Huh? Not a well seen, no?
Oh yeah. But overall touch and feel,
10 on 10.
like would you recommend this material to anyone?
Yeah, obviously.
Good, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so it's almost 7:30 right now in the evening, and you must have seen the reaction of Sanket and Rachel about the quality of the fabric and how the t-shirts are and all. Yeah, currently I'm wearing the maroon melange color over here. I don't know, how does it feel according to you guys? You can see the entire view. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'll end this video over here. I think I'll carry forward the pictures, the shoot and everything in the next video. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe or even like the video if you liked it. Until then, bye bye, peace.